Welcome to my channel, The Proper Guidance. Here we are today to discuss a program in Python to determine whether a number is a prime number or not. This is our program number 7. So this is very easy program, that prime number program. We all know about prime number. Prime number is what? A number is a prime number when it is just divisible by 1 and the number itself. I am not describing here the definition of prime number because this is a very simple thing. Everybody knows it. So this is our program. See, this is the variable int input, enter a number. This is to take an input from user. The number user will give the input here. If num equals to 1. Here is a if statement. It checks whether the number is equals to 1. Print num is not a prime number, because we all know that 1 is not a prime number, right? So this is in if statement and we already declare it here like this. If num equals to 1, print num is not a prime number. That is 1 is not a prime number. If else statement is here. If we already discussed about elif in our previous programs. Those who are new to my class, please go through all those previous programs. That will be helpful for you. Now, num greater than 1. If num greater than 1 colon, check for factors. This is the comment line. This is the comment line. When we want to write down any comment, we use this symbol for comments. So check for factors. How to check? Check with the help of for loop. Here is a for loop in elif. For I in range 2 to num. 2 comma num. This means the I, its range starts from 2 to num. Num means the user input. If num modulus I equals to 0, that is if num is divisible by any value of I in range 2 to num, then print num is not a prime number, because if we can get any factor for the given number, then it is not a prime number. So we print here num is not a prime number, else print num is a prime number. If we don't get any factors for the given number, given user input, we will write down that the number is not a prime number. Now here is the section, output section. I am taking here, enter a number 5. 5 is a prime number. Now see how the code works. That is in dry run section. Look, num equals to user input 5. If num equals to 1, 5 is not equals to 1. So this section, after that one, elif, num greater than 1. Yeah, num is greater than 1. Now check for factors. If num is greater than 1, now we go to for loop. For I in range. For I in range. What will be the range here? The range start from 2 and go to 5. Okay? But 5 is not taken. Just 4. 2, 3 and 4 will be taken. Now, if num modulus I, if statement will run here, execute here, num equals to 5, 5 modulus 2, 5 modulus 2 not equals to 0. Again, after 2, 3, 5 modulus 3 not equals to 0. 5 modulus 4, that is not equals to 0. Only 5 modulus 5 equals to 0. But this section will not be taken because for range, for in range, this number, actually the last one is not taken to execute. Before that number only taken, that is here, this is 4. So all these values are not equals to 0. That's why we can tell that this is a prime number. That is 5 is a prime number. Else section. If is not, if statement returns false value for each and every number in the range. That's why we execute the else part, and in else part, that is 5 is a prime number. Take any value and execute like this one. This is a very simple program, that prime number. So you people just write down this program, note down it, and keep practicing. If there is any query, please feel free to ask me in your comment section. I will clarify all those things. Next day we will meet with any new programs. Okay, till then, take care and thank you for watching.